Welcome to Techamuna.com video reviews. Today let's take a closer look at the Mi Band 5 and compare it to the Mi Band 3 and 4. I've been using the Mi Band 5 for about 5 days now, and I finally had a chance to put it through its paces. At first glance, it's pretty hard to tell them apart, especially with the screen off. But once you turn on the screen, you can immediately see that the Mi Band 3 is really showing its age, with its monochrome screen. Comparing the Mi Band 4 and 5, it's barely noticeable, but the 5 has a slightly larger screen. For the dimensions, they all look the same, so one might think that accessories like straps are interchangeable, right? Like I mentioned, the Mi Band 5 is slightly bigger, and it will fit in the Mi Band 4 strap, although you will need to force it in, and you will notice that the fit is not that perfect. On the other hand, the Mi Band 4 will fit in the 5 strap, but again it feels a bit loose. Same thing goes for the Mi Band 3. However, a non-original third-party Mi Band 3 and 4 strap, the Mi Band 5 fits rather well. So to answer the question if they are interchangeable really depends on the kind of strap you have. Now let's talk about charging cables. The Mi Band 3 has a totally different charging pin placement, so that leaves it out of this test. The Mi Band 5 uses a magnetic charging cable, so you finally don't need to remove the band to charge it. Unlike the 4, where you still need to remove the band. The Mi Band 5 will not fit in the 4's charger, however the Mi Band 5's charger can charge the 4, but since there's no magnet, you'll have to find a way to make it stick. Another option is to get this third-party charger, which I got for the Mi Band 4, and that also works well with the 5. I'll leave a link in the description below if you're interested. Now let's talk about software changes. Again, the Mi Band 3 will need to be left out due to the limitations of the screen. One of the most popular features of the Mi Band 4 was the ability to change watch faces, not only through the Mi Fit app, but also with other third-party watch face apps. Unfortunately, I couldn't get third-party watch apps to work. I tried both Mi Band 4 Watch Face and Mi Band 4 Watch Faces app from the Play Store, but it just wouldn't load. The good news is that there are quite a number of watch faces to choose from the Mi Fit app. Also now you have the ability to customize pre-installed watch faces, and you can do it right from the band itself. I'm pretty sure third-party developers will be able to update their apps to support the Mi Band 5 soon. We'll just have to be patient and wait. Next, let's take a look at sports tracking. But before that, if you're enjoying my videos, please like, subscribe, comment, and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos. The Mi Band 5 has 11 workout modes compared to only 6 on the Mi Band 4. I was only able to test the outdoor running and step counting, so let's see if there's any difference between them. For the step counting, the Mi Band 3 counted 2,052 steps, while the 4 counted 2,013 and the 5 counted 2,075. For the distance, they were all around 0.91 kilometers. For sleep tracking, I wore all 3 to bed, but unfortunately for the Mi Band 3, when I tried to sync my data, it got erased, probably because I haven't used it for several months. The Mi Band 5 said I had 8 hours and 52 minutes of sleep, with 1 hour 55 deep sleep, 6 hours 30 of light, and only 27 minutes REM. While the Mi Band 4 showed 9 hours 31 minutes of sleep, 3 hours 6 minutes of deep sleep, 6 hours 25 of light, and no REM data. But what's strange is that they both showed 0 awake time, but I remember going up at 4 AM to go to the bathroom. Another new feature on the Mi Band 5 is the PAI or Personal Vitality Index score. The goal is to actually earn points over 7 days, and then it will reset again. This score is unique and different for everyone, as it is based on gender, athletic ability, physical data, among others. Another is stress monitoring, which I'm guessing uses the heart rate sensor to check how stressed you are. For the heart rate, the Mi Band 5 seems to detect the heart rate slightly faster than the 4, and also it has additional data showing the history of high, low, intensity level as well as VO2 max. Another new feature is the ability to control the camera shutter from your Mi Band. It works for both video and photo, It's quite a handy feature to have, but there are actually third-party apps that you can download to work with older Mi Bands as well. Lastly, we have the World Clock. I'm probably alone in this, but I really like this new feature. Being able to customize your favorite cities and checking different time zones is great when you travel. Although with the current pandemic, I don't think there'll be a lot of traveling. I have to mention that I'm using the non-NFC version of the Mi Band 5. According to the Mi Band 5 China website, the NFC version has additional infrared heart rate sensor for better health and sleep tracking, as well as a microphone, so it would be interesting to see how that would compare. I still don't know what the final global release version will have, but it's slated for release this July. Finally, since the Mi Band 3 is already 2 generations old, this is really a comparison between the 4 and the 5. While the Mi Band 5 does bring some nice improvements like magnetic charger, additional workout modes, and new customizable watch faces, I'm a bit disappointed at the lack of an SpO2 sensor. Also, a lot of the smart band features would actually be brought to the Mi Band 4 via a firmware update. So if you already have the 4, there's really no need to upgrade to the 5 unless perhaps you get the NFC version. So I hope you like this comparison review. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.